What is it?
Yay!
Let me see.
And Maya does.
Let's see it, Maya. Maya, let's see.
Who's on there?
Daddy, see it.
Is that Angelina? Ballerina?
Who?
Oh, yeah. Ballerina?
A couple weeks ago.
Tiptoe
How
ballerina.
pretty. How do you do ballet?
I'll read it to you later, okay? You got more stuff to open up.
Wow.
There's some more.
Yeah.
I waited for you. You said that we wait for you 10 seconds.
10 seconds?
Yay! Now I can open this one.
Yay.
Yeah, the baby Frosty. Yay! Oh boy, what did I get in this one?
Oh, it's got frosty paper on it? Did you eat?
Yay!
That bread
Yay!
is delicious.
I like your hair.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I wasn't going to say anything. See, Linda, she just noticed.
Stickers.
Let's see you, Maya.
But look at the over here.
I noticed, but it's against my religion to compliment you.
Thanks. Now I gotta pick them off all the furniture.
Those are only for in the book. Show Mama.
Yeah, I did it last night.
Show Mama the
On the
book.
way home, I stopped at Walgreens.
She loves stickers.
Thanks for more stickers, guys.
Okay, let's open some more presents. We can look at that later, okay? Okay, open another one.
Yeah, I might puke all over you.
Give me the book. Give it to Daddy.
Oh, you love it?
Give Daddy the book. Give me the book so I can put it away.
Wow.
Tina, I have to say, for as late as you were and everything, wow.
Well, everything was done besides the macaroni.
Yeah, bing, boom, bing, bing, bing. Whose face is on that one?
Can you get her?
Hello, Kitty. Oh. Turn it around. See what it is. I can't see my eyes.
What is it?
I can't see.
Who's
Hello,
it?
Kitty.
Let me see. Bring it here.
Bring it by Mommy.
What is this?
Is it a game?
What is it?
Where is Hello Kitty game? Look at me, a smile. Wow.
Open it.
Nope, hey, you got more stuff.
Oh, yo. Yeah. I love opening presents on mine.
Turn around over here, Maya, so we can see you.
Maya, let's see.
More Hello Kitty.
Let's see it.
Linda, the cigarette tastes delicious after the macaroni.
That's what I wanted.
Oh, wow.
Hello Kitty puzzle. For me,
She knows it's a puzzle.
my very own stocking.
Yep.
Thank you.
Grandma, we got a 50-piece Hello Kitty floor puzzle over here.
Woohoo!
Come here, Maya.
You should see her put puzzles together.
My Hello Kitty bow just for me.
Oh, what a pretty bow.
Put this on me. Oh, it's going to be so beautiful.
Come here.
Oh, it's going to be so beautiful.
On me.